Welcome to Convenience Talk. My name is Melanie, and today's topic is how to search for C-store owners using Colorado's UST database. So the first resource I want to show you is a blog post on Convenience Talk. What it has is a list of all the UST databases listed by state. And so if we navigate to Colorado's website over here, which is their Division of Oil and Public Safety, it's underneath petroleum. You can kind of see the breadcrumb information here. And then if we go to view data, we end up on this page. And we have some search options over here. And so I did facility, tank, and owner. And let me show you how I filtered each one of them. So for facility, oh, and by the way, for this, if you just hit search, you won't get any results. So you just need to put in a wild character like this, and then it'll pull up the results for you. Tank, also, wild character, search. And when you go to download on Tank, you can actually pick the status. For me, I did open and I did UST. And then also facility, again, wild character, search. And if you go to download, you'll also be able to filter for all active facilities. So after I downloaded the files, I opened them up in Google Docs. And you can kind of see the information that you'd receive, which is put in a kind of strange way. So they have first name, last name. They have some address information. Again, this is the owner. But obviously you don't have any additional kind of fields to filter through, like the classic if it was a gas station or something like that. Now, if at the facility level, you'll have the facility name, which is usually the DBA, what it, how it's doing, or the name is doing business under. You have the owner name over here if they happen to have it, and then you'll see the address of the facility over here. And finally, the tank information. So the tank information, you'll get a little bit more information, what kind of fuel that it's housing. You'll get the capacity of the tank, and then the facility name, address, and the facility owner. That's it for Colorado. My name is Melanie. Thank you for watching this video.